Hey Sam, what are you doing? Are you helping Daddy pack? What do you have?
A phone.
Is that my wallet?
Yeah.
Where did you get my wallet?
My wallet.
That's not your wallet. I'm sure that's not your wallet.
I'm bringing it.
What do you got?
Wizard and...
You helping me pack up some toys to put on the truck?
Yeah.
We got the couch. We got quite a few boxes up there already. We're doing pretty good.
We got a bucket.
Yeah, you got a bucket? What's your shirt say?
My dad's a chiropractor.
What's that? Is that a doctor? Uh-huh.
My dad's a chiropractor.
Your dad is a chiropractor.
Hey, here's a feather.
There's a feather in that piece of wood. That's crazy.
Let's take it out.
Go ahead. You're the one that put it there.
Here's a feather.
That is a feather.
Have it.
Okay, I will have it. Thank you.
That's a beautiful feather.
It is
Let me
beautiful.
see it.
Okay, you have it.
This is the peacock. Peacock.
Uh-huh. Can you blow me a kiss? Good enough.